Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to turn off Chase overdraft protection. So to get started with that, if you're on the Chase mobile app, so just open the app on your phone, then log into your account. Then from there, tap the three line menu icon at the top left or bottom right corner, then select account or privacy. From there, or you can also select card. Just select account settings or card, then choose the checking account you want to update, then find the debit card coverage or overdraft settings, then toggle the authorization or debit card coverage to off, then confirm your choice when prompted. Then your debit card transaction that exceed your balance will now be declined instead of overdrawn. Then if you're on the website version of Chase, just log into Chase account on website, which is on your desktop. Just go to chase.com, then log in. Then from there, click your name or your profile icon, then choose the profile and settings. So once you're done, go to account settings or overdraft and transfer options. Then under your checking account, find debit card coverage, then select no or toggle off. And once you're done, save or confirm the changes. And that's how you can easily turn off Chase overdraft protection. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.